Welcome back to Graygale. This is Glenn. As you can see, I have some parts to work out from the last two kits that I have parted. However, Bricklink is down, allegedly due to a hacker issue, so we'll see what happens with that. But right now I can at least work these out because I know I have bins that contain these parts, so I have to go through and find out where they're at. I then have the rest of the pieces here, but I need to create bins and then part out the rest of the small parts, small bags. I do have a couple of used minifigures, but I need to complete and then add to the store. I did order some more bins here, and as soon as Bricklink is back online, I'll be able to finish out the last two kits. And here are all the pieces. Here's the Indiana Jones, and then here's the Ahsoka shuttle, or ship I should say. No, the Shadow kit has these pieces here, and I still have that left to go, but I'm out of cups, so I need to work these out and get these cups to use to part out the rest of that. As you saw in the last video for the 3D printing, if you're curious about that, I had the question of whether to try to fix the old one or get a new one. Part of the answer is up here. I did order a new extrusion piece, and this is supposed to be an upgrade, but we'll see. It does look a little bit better than the one that was on there, especially since hopefully the tip isn't fused in there and easily removed. So we'll check that and we'll see how difficult it is to put on, and that'll be in another video, probably in a week or two, maybe around Thanksgiving, since I'll have time to do it then. So we'll see what happens, and we'll see if we have anything else to go with that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.